What if I told you there's an ETF that holds some of the best artificial intelligence stocks around? What if I also told you that this ETF has a 1-year return of over 35%? You might think it's too late to invest in AI, but trust me when I say that the best is yet to come. This ETF will allow you to gain exposure to AI giants like Nvidia and Microsoft while also benefiting from smaller AI players. And the crazy part is that this ETF has a super low expense ratio of only 0.68%. It's called the Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, ticker symbol AIQ. Let's dive in to see why it's so special and explore some of its top holdings. In our fast-paced world where technology is king, it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends shaping the market. But let's face it, sifting through countless news articles and financial reports can be a daunting task. That's why we create this channel to deliver everything you need to know from artificial intelligence and crypto to economics. It's like having a personal assistant that does all the reading for you. Nvidia is a name synonymous with graphics processing units. But did you know that they've become the darling of the AI world too? When it comes to training AI models, these bad boys are the MVPs. Nvidia's GPUs boast the parallel processing power necessary to handle the massive computations required for AI development. The company's CUDA platform has been instrumental in accelerating AI model training, allowing developers to train large language models faster and more efficiently than ever before. Not just that, Nvidia recently announced a new set of AI-powered chips specifically designed for generative AI. Applications like ChatGPT and Google Bard, these new chips are expected to reduce the cost of running AI models by up to 10 times compared to Nvidia's current data center GPUs. Talk about efficiency. So if you're investing in AIQ, you're not just tapping into Nvidia's dominance in the GPU market, but also positioning yourself for the future of AI hardware. Next up, we have Microsoft, another titan in the tech world that has been embracing AI wholeheartedly. Their Azure cloud platform offers a range of AI services for developers looking to build AI-powered applications. From pre-trained models to custom model training, Azure provides the tools and resources for businesses to harness the power of AI. Moreover, Microsoft's recent partnership with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into Bing and its work on the Prometheus model to enhance its own large language model demonstrate the company's commitment to staying at the forefront of AI innovation. As a holder of Microsoft and AIQ, you're not just benefiting from its vast cloud infrastructure, but also positioning yourself for the exciting developments in the world of AI. But wait, there's more. AIQ doesn't just hold big names like Nvidia and Microsoft. It also includes smaller players in the AI space, providing investors like you with a well-diversified portfolio of AI-related stocks. For instance, let's talk about Palantir, a company that specializes in data analytics and software. While not solely an AI company, Palantir leverages AI to provide advanced analytics capabilities to businesses. Their Foundry platform uses AI to help organizations make sense of complex datasets, providing insights that can drive business growth and efficiency. As an AIQ investor, you'll benefit from Palantir's expertise in data analytics and its potential to harness AI for even greater insights in the future. Now let's shift our attention to C3.ai, a company focused on enterprise AI software. C3.ai offers a suite of tools that enable businesses to develop and deploy AI applications across various industries. Their platform provides a visual development tool for creating AI workflows and pre-built AI models for common business processes. And let's not forget about Zoom Video Communications, a name synonymous with video conferencing. But did you know that they're diving headfirst into the world of AI? Zoom's foray into AI includes the launch of AI-powered features such as background removal and virtual backgrounds. These features leverage AI to enhance the video conferencing experience, providing users with more immersive and engaging interactions. Additionally, Zoom's recent acquisition of KeyDNA, an AI startup specializing in realistic avatar-based communication, signals the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI in the collaboration space. As a Zoom shareholder in AIQ, you're not just tapping into the popularity of Zoom's video conferencing platform, but also positioning yourself for the exciting developments in AI-powered communication tools. Next, we have Twilio, a company that provides cloud-based communication APIs, enabling businesses to integrate communication features into their applications. Twilio's APIs allow developers to incorporate messaging, voice, and video capabilities into their software, making communication a seamless part of the customer experience. Beyond that, Twilio's embrace of AI includes the use of AI-powered routing and personalization features. These features leverage AI to optimize routing of customer interactions and personalize communication experiences, providing customers with more relevant and timely interactions. Holding Twilio and AIQ means gaining exposure to the growing market for cloud-based communication. AP is in positioning yourself to benefit from the increasing adoption of AI in the customer experience. And let's not forget about Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, a social media giant that is undergoing a massive transformation with its bet on AI. Meta's rebranding from Facebook to Meta Platforms reflects the company's shift in focus from traditional social media to the metaverse, which is heavily reliant on AI. One of Meta's most notable AI initiatives is the development of its large language model, Llama 2, which powers the company's AI chatbot, Llama 2. Additionally, Meta's work on AI-powered recommendation systems, which drive content suggestions on Facebook and Instagram, showcases the company's commitment to leveraging AI for personalized user experiences. Holding Meta and an IQ means gaining exposure to the potential upside of Meta's AI investments and positioning yourself to benefit from the company's leadership in AI-powered social media platforms. And let's not forget about Salesforce, a customer relationship management giant that is embracing AI to enhance its offerings. Salesforce's Einstein platform uses AI to provide features such as lead scoring and routing, helping businesses prioritize and route leads effectively. The company's work on AI-powered customer service tools such as Einstein Service and Einstein Bots further demonstrates its commitment to leveraging AI for improved customer experiences. Holding Salesforce and AIQ means gaining exposure to the potential upside of Salesforce's AI investments and positioning yourself to benefit from the company's leadership in AI-powered CRM solutions. And finally, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google, a leader in AI research and development. Google's advancements in AI include the development of groundbreaking models like AlphaGo, which defeated a human champion in the complex board game Go, and AlphaFold, which predicts protein structures with unprecedented accuracy. Google's integration of AI across its product offerings such as Google Search Assistant and AdSense demonstrates the company's commitment to leveraging AI for enhanced user experiences and operational efficiency. Holding Alphabet and AIQ means gaining exposure to the potential upside of Alphabet. AI investments and positioning yourself to benefit from the company's leadership in AI research and development, but the benefits of AIQ don't end there. The fund also includes smaller players in the AI space, providing investors like you with a well-diversified portfolio of AI-related stocks. This approach not only mitigates risk, but also positions you to benefit from the growth of smaller AI companies that have the potential to disrupt the market. As you can see, AIQ offers a well-balanced approach to investing in AI, combining big names with innovative startups. Its diversified portfolio and low expense ratio make it an attractive option for investors looking to tap into the growth potential of the AI market. If you're interested in exploring AIQ or any of the other ETFs mentioned in this video, I encourage you to conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor to determine if the funds align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching and happy investing.